Hello everyone, thanks for joining IEI Mustang AI Accelerator class 2020 Embedded World presentation. My name is Malcolm, responsible for AI product line. In this video, you will learn what IEI can offer to your future AI deep learning task. AI applications are growing faster, from smart healthcare, retail to smart factory. Almost every industry implements AI into their applications nowadays. The reason is the storage capacity and the memory speed got great improvement, and breaking through deep learning AI algorithm optimized rapidly. And the most important is the AI accelerator, which can help edge system to reduce CPU loading, lower system total power consumptions. And there are so many AI accelerators in the market, but why IEI chose work tightly with Intel solution? That's because Intel solutions have many advantages. First of all, the cross-platform. Intel's accelerator support both Linux and the Windows OS. It's easy to be implemented in the user's existing projects. And secondly, heterogeneous. Integrate all Intel's accelerator from CPU, integrates GPU, VPU to FPGA. And third one is the first integration, fast integration. OpenVINO is a free inference SDK provided by Intel, and it's easy to install and convert a pre-trained or trained model to Intel platform. And compact size and power efficiency. Let's say a small size and scalable FPGA is only 45 watts power consumption, and the VPU by 8 PCI card is only 25 watt power consumption. So for Intel solution, you're gonna have the better performance per dollar per watt. And you must have those questions when you get started your AI applications. So let's say if you're not sure the support frameworks and the topology of the AI accelerator, and also you may not know the performance, and the performance may not meet your expectation when you finish your project, and your system got space limitation, or you cannot find the right form factors, and also you don't know where can get to ask some experts when you meet problems. So there are many deep learning frameworks, and users may have different preference. Let's say some prefer TensorFlow, others prefer Caffe. So OpenVINO support Caffe, MSNet, TensorFlow, and the Kaldi. And if users prefer other frameworks, you can also convert their model to Honest to run on the OpenVINO toolkit. And the OpenVINO toolkit support most of the popular topologies, such as ResNet, ULO, MobileNet, and faster RCN. And for more support topology list, you may refer to the Intel official website. And you can visit Intel official website to understand the performance of the different accelerator in different popular topologies, which can help users to know what type of the accelerator and what quantity of the accelerator can fulfill their future applications. So in IEI Mustang series accelerators, the card size is half height, half length, which is much smaller than the general purpose GPU. And that's the reason it's the ideal device for the AI inference system. And power consumption is also a key feature for AI inference systems. Mustang accelerators power consumption is from 5 watts to 45 watts and depend on the different form factor. And however, it's still much lower than general purpose GPU. So in Intel official website have many demo programs and pre-trained AI models for you to reference. So the demo is including Python and C++. Those are very popular programming languages for the deep learning users. And if you want to learn more about OpenVINO, you can subscribe Intel OpenVINO on the YouTube channel to get step-by-step tutorial. And if you meet questions during your project, there's also an official forum for you to file a question. So this page is the IEI Mustang Accelerator series. The silver one is FPGA Accelerator, and the black series are VPU accelerators. So this is the FPGA accelerator Mustang F100 810. F stands for FPGA, 810 stands for the Intel Altera Era 10 FPGA. The feature is including compact size, support multiple cores, and low power consumption. As we mentioned, it's only 45 watts typically, and the low latency. So a greatest feature of FPGA is a high flexibility. So you can upload different optimized bitstream for the different topology for your different AI tasks. The OpenVINO toolkit will release by every quarter. So unlike typical ASIC, you can upload the latest or optimized topology periodically to get the best performance. And this is these are VPU accelerators, Mustang V100 MS8 and the MS4. V stands for VPU, MS stands for Intel Movidius Mirror X VPU. So MSA means there are 8 Mirror X VPUs in this PCIe card. And the feature is including compact size and support multiple cores and extremely low power consumption. So for the MSA, the power consumption is only 25 watt. For MS4, it's only 15 watt. So by this block diagram, you can see there are 8 Mirror X VPU inside this PCIe card. So you can assign different AI tasks to each VPU to achieve multitask and distribute computing. For example, you can design VPU number 1 to number 8 to do the different AI tasks such as face detection, face recognition, object detection, or even license plate recognition at the same time. So sometimes your system may not insert the PCIe accelerator cards. So you can have other options such as mini PCIe and the M.2 Mustang mini cards to execute an AI inference in your compact edge device. Age-related macular degeneration (ARMD) is an eye disease which happened in senior citizens. For medical AI application, AI groups QNAP co-work with Taiwan local hospital to train a ARMD model to assist medical professionals to pre-check the patient's OCT image in different symptoms. So in this slide, the architecture illustrates how IEI cooperates with Intel and Microsoft to complete a total AI ecosystem. In the right-hand edge side, the IEI inference script AI model, which was trained by QNAP, is executed by Microsoft ONNX runtime, which has an OpenVINO EP to drive Intel devices such as CPU, integrated GPU, Mustang F100 FPGA card, or Mustang V100 VPU card to execute the AI inference. From the left-hand cloud Azure side, Azure can collect edge inference data from Azure IoT Hub, which collect images and the inference data model can be retrained by this ecosystem. This is the demo video to assist medical professionals to pre-check the patient's OCT image in different symptoms by the ecosystem co-worked by IEI, Intel, and Microsoft. In this smart city case, for this application, it is using GeoVision's object detection topology and combined with IEI Mustang V100 Movidius VPU accelerator card to achieve the different smart city tasks. For the left top corner channel, it's doing the pedestrian crosswalk violation detection. For the right top corner channel, it's doing the bus stop restriction area parking violation detection. And for the left bottom channel, it's doing vehicle counting for traffic condition monitoring. Can send along to the local law enforcement if too much traffic conditions. And for the right bottom corner side, it's doing the license plate recognition for the parking lot. So for the license plate recognition case, so this application is using Alpha Info's LPR, so called license plate recognition topology, to detect a license plate which cooperate with local law enforcement in Taiwan, and it can check suspicious vehicle and send along to the local law enforcement. And this application can offload officers' workload, avoid the conditions caused by human eye fatigue and misjudgment. And Alpha Infos also implement Mustang VPU accelerators into their end customers' parking lot system to recognize license plate with very high accuracy. Now, in this driver behavior monitoring case, the application is using Intel Open Model Zoo to demo the topology with Mustang mini PCIe cards to achieve two applications. For the right-hand side screen is driver fatigue detection. Actually, there are two workloads, including head pose, which can detect driver's head position in case of driver doesn't looking forward. And another workload is face grid. It can detect driver's eye blink frequency in case of driver fall asleep. And for the left-hand side screen is doing road condition detection. It can detect such as vehicles, scooter, pedestrian to assist driver to know the road condition. And this demo is using IEI small form factor IPC named ITG100 AI, which is a fanless system embedded a MirrorX mini PCIe card inside. So it can achieve operating temperature between -20 to 50 Celsius. So it's an ideal edge application AI device. So this is the face recognition case. So in this demonstration, you can see the facial recognition, gender, age, and the emotion detection by the CyberLink FaceMe software, which is a very high-ranking and the most accurate AI facial recognition engines in the world. So recently, IEI cooperated with CyberLink FaceMe by leveraging the computation capability of IEI Mustang VPU accelerators. So it can speed up 20 times of performance than the pure Celeron CPU. Okay, so that's for today's video. Hope you can have more idea about IEI AI accelerators for your future AI applications. If you have more questions, please visit our website. So don't forget to press like in our social media such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get our latest product information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.